Hello, in this video I want to show you how to power on and off your Wahoo Element Bolt WFCC3. And to do this you will need to look on the left right here. There's a button for it, so click and hold it for a few seconds. You can see LED lamp starts flashing and the screen turns on. That means power is on. Now to turn it off, hold that same button. You'll see power off sign and simply click on this button right here, yes, and it will shut down. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.